Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm the Dividend Nomad. And today, I got two things to share with you. Right now, at the time of this recording, it's 10 o'clock at night here in China. I just made a big purchase, right? I just bought 1,000 shares or something. And I'm going to share that with you right now. But I also have something else important to share with you. So let's get into it. Let me open up my phone here like I usually do and share with y'all a couple of things, and you're gonna see some changes to this. So yeah, let me record the screen for you and show you what's going on. So here we are in the Weebull app like I usually am. Let's go over to my positions. Here we are. I'll refresh it for you. You can see I still only have 2 positions here. I made a video not long ago where I sold everything, and just a quick recap in case you missed that, I only had like $20,000 invested, but I had like 20 different stocks. I was so spread out, and with that $20,000, I wasn't even making $1,000 a month. I was like about 800 and some change, almost 900 a month, but we had $20,000 invested in so many different things, and I was green on all of those, and I sold every single one of them except for YMAX. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do at the time, but I was green on YMAX too, but I kept it because I was thinking about going more into it. And then the more I got to looking at it, like I really do like YMAX, and I think YMAX is great, but I changed my mind on the direction I wanted to go. And so let me share that with you really quick. First of all, the reason why you don't see any new positions here, I opened a new position in a different account, and I'm going to share that with you in a minute, and I'm going to share with you why I did that. So first of all, this right here, this YMAX, let me show you this, my position in YMAX real fast. Hey, what's going on with this stuff, man? I don't care about this data disclaimer crap. Just show me my damn position. Oh, okay, here we go. So here we are in my YMAX position. You can see I only have 100 shares of this, because I had a bunch of other stuff and a bunch of money and other things, and I sold it all. I had 100 shares of this because I liked it, and I was going to start building this position. You can see my average cost is $19.90, so we're already almost green on this again. But I just received dividends from them too. I've gotten a lot of dividends from YMAX already, actually. So overall, I am green on this. Okay, but I'll wait till it goes green again, because it always goes back up. So once it goes green again, even though I'm green with the dividends I've received, I didn't put them back into this. I kept the money, but whatever. I'm still green on this. So I am going to be selling this one. And I have Tesla here, and Tesla is a long way from green. I checked the other day with all my dividends received. I'm still down like 8%. So once I go green on this one, I'm probably going to put this on the chopper block too and get rid of it. And I'm not going to buy anything else in this account. If I do any, I probably won't do that anymore either anyway, but I'm going to sell all this stuff out of this account. And here's why. See, if I open up YMAX, let me show you this. So it says here it's marginable, right? I have more than $25,000. I can use margin in my account and all that. But if you look here, the maintenance requirement is 60%. Okay, that's really high maintenance. That means that I can't withdraw very much of my money. Like, I can only withdraw 40% of the money. 60% has to be stuck here for the maintenance, right? And with these high yield stocks, like, my whole reason for investing in them is because I want the money now, right? I'm living abroad, and I want to stay abroad, and like, I don't want to work, to be honest with you. Like, I have a business and stuff like that, but you know, I don't want to work, you know, and if I can't withdraw the money, how am I supposed to live? So this ain't gonna work. Now let me show you another one. So I was telling y'all the other day, I wanted to get into something more higher yield and, you know, consolidate into only one position. So I got to looking at all the yield max stuff, and I was looking at Alti, and just for example, let me show you the Alti. This is in Weebull, okay? Come on, internet. Okay, here we are in Weebull. My margin, where's the maintenance? Man, what is going on with this thing? This thing acting crazy today. Okay, here we are in the margin trading. It says the maintenance requirement is 100%. That means I can't withdraw any money. Any money that I have in Alti, I cannot withdraw any of it. 100% is tied up. That is not good. So I decided to not use this platform anymore. I looked at a bunch of other ones. There's a lot of them that are 60, 70, 100% maintenance. That's useless if you want to live off your dividends. So when it comes to living off your dividends, I don't recommend Weebull for that. Weebull is not good for being able to withdraw your money and live off your dividends or distributions. But you can't withdraw the money. It's tied up. So that's why I don't recommend using this app, and that's why I will no longer be using this app for this kind of thing. I'll keep my account here because I might use it for something else if I decide to do some trading or something later. But to be honest with you, that's the whole reason I'm investing in high yield dividend funds, because I don't want to trade. Like, I know how to trade. I've been day trading for years, but it's a lot of work. And then also the time difference. It's like right now it's 10 o'clock at night. The market like just opened. I have to stay awake all freaking night and look at these charts and stuff. Man, I ain't trying to do all of that. And, trade options. That's also a lot of work. You always got to trade in and out of stuff. There's huge risk in options. With this, you just put your money there and just do nothing. And then they're going to pay you. And then over time, most of these are like 50% yield, 100% yield. 1 year, 2 years, get all your money back. And that's it. Like, you got your money back, and then you still own the shit, and they keep paying you. It's just, after that's free money, right? They just keep paying you money, and you already got your money back. And it's just 10 times easier than dealing with, staring at charts all the time, trying to day trade, and watching this and watching that, watching news, watching this and that, trying to trade options or something, or get wrecked with an option play. It just ain't worth it when you can literally just put some money there and then do nothing and get paid. Right, so that's why I'm veering away from that stuff. So anyway, I just made a big purchase, and I'm going to share that with you too. And I'm going to share with you where I did it at, and share with you kind of what's going on from now on this channel moving forward. So let me turn on my screen, or record my screen again so I can show you. Turn on my VPN. I'm in China. I can't access nothing without VPN. Welcome to China. Actually, I'm thinking about leaving to either Thailand, or I don't know. I'm going to go somewhere else soon. I'll share that with y'all when I decide to go. But anyway, we're recording the screen now. You can see right here we have Schwab. Now, first of all, I want to tell you, I didn't really choose Schwab, okay? I was with TD Ameritrade because I loved the Thinkorswim platform for day trading, and I had 2 accounts at TD. And TD has worked really great for me here in China. I've been in China for a long time and living abroad for like half my life, and TD works great. And TD just got taken over by Schwab. So all my accounts for TD, they moved to Schwab like automatically. I didn't ask for it. It just happened. Okay. And so I was actually on the hunt for another brokerage, and which I had Robinhood already, and I had some money in Robinhood and stuff. And I don't know what, like, I didn't use it on a regular basis, but anyway, I tried to log into Robinhood the other day, and I couldn't get into my account. And so I called the customer service, and then I had to reset my password and upload my passport and all kind of other crap. And anyway, they got on the phone with me, and it's like, you can't, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you can't just call Robinhood, right? You got to like get up to them on the app, and then they say they call you back. And so I had to do all that crap. And then they called me back, which I'm here in China. They called me back, and they's like, why are you using a Chinese phone number? And I was like, well, I live in China. And they said, well, you can't use Robinhood. And I was like, why not? I was like, I'm a U.S. citizen. I was born and raised in America. Have a U.S. passport. I was born there. Yeah, I don't even know if my family even comes from anywhere else. I know I have like Native American in my family and all this and that. Like, anyway, this is besides the point. I was born and raised in America. I'm a U.S. citizen, U.S. passport. And they closed my account. They said, you can't trade on Robinhood anymore. Your account is blocked. They said you can only transfer what you have to another brokerage, but you can't, you can't buy anything, can't do nothing. Everything just locked up. So if you plan on being a dividend nomad, I don't recommend using Robinhood. I know Yo Max TV dude, if you're watching, he said he watches my videos. If you're watching this, I know you say Robinhood is a Stacy, but I don't know about Stacy, man. She didn't let me in. So Robinhood's not on my list of friendly brokerages for living abroad. TD was, and Schwab works here. I'm living here. Schwab works here. Now, I will say this about Schwab. The platform for the computer, like I use on a laptop, whatever, is okay. It's not bad. But on the phone app for Schwab, it's like, I feel like they built it in like 2002, and they haven't updated it since. It's like really like for boomers. I feel like they could really do a lot better with their app. But that being said, let's go into the Schwab app and let me show you. So here we are in the Schwab app. So this is what it looks like. Oh man, I gotta log in again. What the hell? Come on, man. So you can see this boomer app. Okay, so here we are. You see the market's open right now, right? So you're watching this in real time. My account, 25,686. And you can see positions. I have only one because I just opened it. So here we go. All the positions you can see. This is all I have. 1,000 shares of Alti. And the reason why I bought this today, a couple reasons. Number one, today is the ex-dividend date, so I got it at a discount. It's trading like $1.14 cheaper than what it was because they just paid out that massive dividend. And the second reason I bought it, right, it's 100% yield. I'll get 100% of my money back in a year, or maybe less, because it's slightly over 100% yield. If it stays that way, then 1 year I get all my money back. So what do you have to lose? Okay. The next reason is because lately it's been kind of choppy. They've got rid of some of the crappy stuff that they were holding, and they've swapped them out for some other things that seem to be a little bit better, or they're better at trading them because they've been kind of choppy and kind of going up. They've been having a pretty good month. And I don't know if that's just the trading got better because they switched the holdings, because they did switch the holdings. Maybe that's part of it. But it's been performing better this month, and I was looking forward to it performing better in the future. So if it does get kind of choppy and goes up and down, if I see some profits, some decent profits, I'm not going to take like $100, but if I see some good profits, then I'll take some money out and, put it in my pocket. And, if I don't see any profits, like if it just ain't really going up enough for me to take anything off the top, that's okay. It's 100% yield. 1 year, get all my money back. I ain't lost nothing, and I will still have this after I got my money back, and it'll keep paying me money for free. And check this out. Let me open this thing up for you real quick, and I'll show you why I'm using Schwab. If I go down to the bottom, margin requirement, look, only 30%. You seen in the other app, it was 100% maintenance. I couldn't take any money out. This one, I can take 70% of my money, no problem. So maintenance is very, very important when it comes to living off your dividends. You have to have a low maintenance so that way you can take a high amount of money out of your portfolio, because that's the whole reason we're doing this. We want the money, right? That's why I'm doing it. I want the money now, so I want to live off of it. I can take this money and I can pay whatever rent I want to pay. I can get a plane ticket. I can go anywhere I want to go and not worry about getting a paycheck. That's the whole point of being a dividend nomad. Like if I want to leave, I can just go to Vietnam next door. Or I can go to Thailand or Philippines or Malaysia, go wherever I want to go, right? And that's the power of having dividends and the power of having low maintenance so you can get your money out. So anyway, brand new journey, brand new app. We're starting from scratch right now today. 1,000 shares of Alti. And I'll even show this to you really quick. In my history, you can see, here's my history. June the 14th. That's today. There they are. Look, 100 shares. The second one you see, 300 shares, 500 shares, and another 100 shares. Like it partially filled me because I bought this in the pre-market. There probably wasn't a lot of shares on, so I put in an order for 1,000 and like kind of chopped it up and gave me some here, gave me some there, and blah, blah, blah. But I eventually got them all. So I got the whole 1,000 shares. And look at these other ones. You can see, look, this is just interest payments. They paid me interest because I just had cash sitting here not doing nothing since they transferred. So this is the first thing I've bought in this account. And it's the only thing we have is Alti, 1,000 shares. Let's go. Let's get some money. Now, this one pays on week 3. So next, right, I'm not going to add to this one, I don't think. I'm going to be looking to get another $1,000 in week 1. So basically like getting paid every 2 weeks, right? Like week 1, I want $1,000 from something. And then week 3, we got $1,000 right here in Alti. Alti pay $1,000 a month right now. This 1,000 shares, paying over $1 a share, $1,000 a month. So we got $1,000 right here. As soon as ex-div date comes for around the 1st of the month for the other yield max funds, the single stock ones, I'm going to try to get another $1,000 a month on the ex-div date then. So there's 3 of them I'm looking at. I'm not sure which one yet. I still ain't made up my mind, but to be honest with you, there's really Misty and Coney and Nvidia that have the super high yield that I can get to $1,000 a month really, really fast on. And Misty and Coney, the Bitcoin ones, and to be honest with you, because Bitcoin is so volatile, I don't know how I feel about Bitcoin. Like if they pull the rug on that thing and you're holding Misty or Coney, you might end up with another Tesla on your hands. Which, I mean, I guess it's not a big deal because you will get all your money back. But at the same time, like, I don't want to wait that long, So I'm not sure. Nvidia, I like Nvidia more, even though it is a trend right now. Nvidia just it's just going to the moon. And, what goes up must come down. So I'm a little bit worried about that one too. But I'm less worried about that one than the Bitcoin ones because, chips are in high demand right now, right? This computer chip, the phone chip, all this EV cars they're pushing, chips, this whole AI stuff going on, chips, right? They need chips right now, and the demand is only going to grow for chips. So, I mean, of course, Nvidia could do with a pullback, but I don't think it would be like a really long-term pullback, like a Bitcoin could pull back and be down for a long time, and once it gets down so much, these yield max funds are really tough to recover from once they start going down. So you just kind of, it's more like a waiting game. You just have to wait until the 50% yield pays you back in 2 years, or the 100% yield pays you back, or whatever the yield is, right? You'll get paid back faster than anything else. So if you do hold it, it's not that big a deal, but at the same time, you want as much money as possible, and you want it now. So there's that to consider too. So I'll think about it. But anyway, let me know what you think about this below. Tell me in the comments, what do you think is the next one that I should get $1,000 a month in? Because Alti, we got $1,000 in it already just now, today's purchase. One purchase, 1,000 shares, $1,000 a month. So now we need another one. What are we going to buy next, guys? Let me know below. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Hope I didn't talk too fast. I'm just a little bit excited, I guess. A little bit tired too. It's nighttime here, man. I'm about to sleep. So anyway, let me know what you think. See y'all on next video. Take care.